Welcome to the India General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge of India. Let us begin.
First question. Which city serves as the capital of India? Your options are Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. The correct answer is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? 18, 20, 24, 28. 24. The navy blue Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Answer this next question. India's national emblem is adapted from the lion capital at which place? Your options are Sarnath, Sanchi, Nalanda, Bodh Gaya. The correct answer is Sarnath. India's national emblem is adapted from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Answer this next question. Which phrase is the national motto of India? Your options are Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Satyamev Jayate, Do or Die. And the correct answer is Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate, meaning, truth alone triumphs, is India's national motto. Answer this next question. Which animal is recognized as the national animal of India? Your options are Asiatic lion, Indian elephant, Royal Bengal tiger, snow leopard. The correct answer is Royal Bengal tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Which bird is the national bird of India? Indian peacock, Sarus crane, parrot, swan. Indian peacock. The Indian peacock is India's national bird. Question number 7. Which flower is the national flower of India? Your options are rose, lotus, jasmine, sunflower. The correct answer is lotus. The lotus is the national flower of India. Answer this next question. Which tree is the national tree of India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Neem, banyan, mango, coconut. And the correct answer is banyan. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. Which river has been declared the national river of India? Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, Narmada. Ganga. The Ganga is the national river of India. Which species is India's national aquatic animal? Blue whale, Ganges river dolphin, crocodile, olive ridley turtle. Ganges river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. Who composed India's national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Subramania Bharti. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore composed Jana Gana Mana. Which song is recognized as the national song of India? Jana Gana Mana, Vande Mataram, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Ye Mere Watan Ke Logon. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Next question. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Options. Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Muhammad Iqbal, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote Vande Mataram. On which date is India's Independence Day celebrated? The 26th of January, the 15th of August, the 2nd of October, the 14th of November. The 15th of August. India celebrates Independence Day on the 15th of August. On which date is Republic Day celebrated in India? The 15th of August, the 26th of January, the 26th of November, the 2nd of October. The 26th of January. Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January. On which date did the Constitution of India come into force? The 15th of August 1947. The 26th of November 1949. The 26th of January 1950. The 2nd of October 1950. The 26th of January 1950. The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th of January 1950. Let us move to the next question. Who was the first President of India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Who became the first Prime Minister of independent India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Rajagopalachari. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Answer this next question. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Subhas Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Let us move to the next question. Who is called the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Choose the correct answer from these options. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Which two houses form the Parliament of India? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Parliament consists of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, along with the President. Which is the lower house of the Indian Parliament? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Gram Sabha. Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is the lower house of Parliament. Who is the constitutional head of India? Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice of India, Lok Sabha Speaker. President. The President is the constitutional head of India. Who heads the Union Council of Ministers? President, Prime Minister, Vice President, Chief Justice of India. Prime Minister. The Prime Minister heads the Union Council of Ministers. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. New Delhi. The Supreme Court of India is located in New Delhi. Which constitutional body conducts elections in India? Finance Commission, Election Commission of India, Union Public Service Commission, Niti Aayog. Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India conducts elections. What is the currency of India? Dollar, rupee, euro, yen. Rupee. The Indian rupee is the currency of India. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is India's largest state by area. Answer this next question. Which is the smallest Indian state by area? Your options are Goa, Sikkim, Tripura, Manipur. The correct answer is Goa. Goa is India's smallest state by area. What is the southernmost point of mainland India? Indira Point, Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram, Minikoy. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the southernmost point of mainland India. Let us move to the next question. What is the southernmost point of the entire Indian territory? The answer options are Kanyakumari, Indira Point, Port Blair, Cavarati. The correct answer is Indira Point. Indira Point on Great Nicobar Island is the southernmost point of India. Which mountain system forms India's northern boundary? Aravalli, Himalayas, Vindhyas, Satpuras. Himalayas. The Himalayas form a great mountain barrier along northern India. Question number 33. Which sea lies to the west of India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea, Black Sea. The correct answer is Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of India. Question number 34. Which water body lies to the east of India? Options: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea. And the correct answer is Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal lies to the east of India. Now for the next question. Which ocean lies to the south of India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Answer this next question. Indian Standard Time is based on which longitude? The answer options are 75 degrees east, 82 degrees 30 minutes east, 90 degrees east, 68 degrees east. The correct answer is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. Indian Standard Time is based on 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Through how many Indian states does the Tropic of Cancer pass? 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. Answer this next question. Which is the longest river flowing within India? Choose the correct answer from these options. Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada. And the correct answer is Ganga. The Ganga is the longest river flowing within India. Which river is often called the Dakshin Ganga? Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Tapi. Godavari. The Godavari is popularly called the Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of the South. Where does the Yamuna river originate? Gangotri Glacier, Yamunotri Glacier, Amarkantak, Talakaveri. Yamunotri Glacier. The Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri Glacier. Which river originates near Trambakeshwar in Maharashtra? Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanadi. Godavari. The Godavari originates near Trambakeshwar in Maharashtra. Let us move to the next question. Which river flows westward into the Arabian Sea? Your options are Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Krishna. And the correct answer is Narmada. The Narmada flows westward and empties into the Arabian Sea. Hirakud Dam is built across which river? Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. Mahanadi. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River. Bahakar Nangal Dam is associated with which river? Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Yamuna. Satluj. Bahakar Nangal Dam is built on the Satluj River. Which is the largest desert in India? Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, Kalahari Desert. Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Which is regarded as the oldest mountain range in India? Himalayas, Aravalli Range, Western Ghats, Nilgiri Hills. Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range is regarded as India's oldest mountain range. Answer this next question. Which is another name for the Western Ghats? Choose the correct answer from these options. Sahyadri, Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura. The answer is Sahyadri. The Western Ghats are also known as the Sahyadri. Now for the next question. Which plateau covers a large part of southern India? Your options are Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. The correct answer is Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau covers a large part of southern India. Answer this next question. In which state are the Sundarbans located? Your options are Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar. The correct answer is West Bengal. The Indian part of the Sundarbans is in West Bengal. Answer this next question. Chilika Lake is located in which state? Options: Orissa, Kerala, Rajasthan, Manipur. The correct answer is Orissa. Chilika Lake is located in Orissa. Question number 51. Loktak Lake is famous in which state? The answer options are Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Tripura. The correct answer is Manipur. Loktak Lake is located in Manipur. Here is the next question. Pulicat Lake lies between which two states? Your options are Kerala and Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Orissa and West Bengal, Gujarat and Rajasthan. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Pulicat Lake lies on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Where is the Gateway of India located? New Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai. Mumbai. The Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. India Gate is situated in which city? Agra, New Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow. New Delhi. India Gate is located in New Delhi. Here is the next question. On the bank of which river is the Taj Mahal located? Here are the options: Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari. The correct answer is Yamuna. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the Yamuna river. Here is the next question. Charminar is the best known monument of which city? The answer options are Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow. The correct answer is Hyderabad. Charminar is located in Hyderabad. Here is the next question. The Golden Temple is located in which city? Choose the correct answer from these options: Amritsar, Patiala, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. The correct answer is Amritsar. The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. The Konark Sun Temple is found in which state? Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Orissa. The Konark Sun Temple is located in Orissa. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in Maharashtra. The ruins of Hampi are associated with which empire? Maurya Empire, Vijayanagara Empire, Mughal Empire, Gupta Empire. Vijayanagara Empire. Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire. Question number 61. Mysuru Palace is located in which state? The answer options are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana. The correct answer is Karnataka. Mysuru Palace is located in Karnataka. Answer this next question. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Choose the correct answer from these options: Akbar, Shah Jahan, Babur, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built the Red Fort in Delhi. Let us move to the next question. Gir National Park is the natural home of which animal? Your options are Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, red panda, black buck. The correct answer is Asiatic lion. Gir National Park is famous for Asiatic lions. Now for the next question. Jim Corbett National Park is located in which state? Options: Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Now for the next question. Bandipur National Park is located in which state? Here are the options: Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. The correct answer is Karnataka. Bandipur National Park is located in Karnataka. Now for the next question. Which national park in Manipur is famous as a floating national park? Choose the correct answer from these options: Kebul Lamjau, Namdafa, Hemis, Dachigam. The correct answer is Kebul Lamjau. Kebul Lamjau National Park is known as the world's only floating national park. India's first passenger train ran between which two places? Mumbai and Thane, Delhi and Agra, Chennai and Vellore, Kolkata and Patna. Mumbai and Thane. India's first passenger train ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. Which is the longest national highway in India? National Highway 44, National Highway 48, National Highway 27, National Highway 16. National Highway 44. National Highway 44 is the longest national highway in India. Question number 69. Where is the headquarters of Indian Space Research Organisation located? Choose the correct answer from these options: Bengaluru, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. The answer is Bengaluru. The headquarters of Indian Space Research Organisation is in Bengaluru. Here is the next question. What was the name of India's first satellite? Your options are Rohini, Aryabhat, Bhaskara, INSAT 1A. The correct answer is Aryabhat. Aryabhat, launched in 1975, was India's first satellite. Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? Homi J. Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, APJ Abdul Kalam, Satish Dhawan. Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of the Indian space program. Answer this next question. Who was the first Indian citizen to travel into space? Your options are Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Ravish Malhotra, Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian citizen in space in 1984. Question number 73. Who was the first woman of Indian origin to travel into space? Here are the options: Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Tessie Thomas, Ritu Karidhal. The correct answer is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin to travel into space. Who won India's first individual Olympic gold medal? Abhinav Bindra, Neeraj Chopra, Leander Paes, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra won India's first individual Olympic gold medal in 2008. Question number 75. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Your options are P.T. Usha, Karnam Malleshwari, Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal. The correct answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Major Dhyan Chand is associated with which sport? Cricket, hockey, tennis, football. Hockey. Major Dhyan Chand was one of India's greatest hockey players. Now for the next question. Does India have an officially declared national sport? The answer options are yes, hockey. Yes, cricket. Yes, kabaddi. No. And the correct answer is no. India has no officially declared national sport. Let us move to the next question. Bharatanatyam originated in which state? Your options are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Orissa, Assam. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form associated with Tamil Nadu. Kathakali is a classical dance drama of which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Punjab, Gujarat. Kerala. Kathakali is a classical dance drama tradition of Kerala. Next question. Kuchipudi is associated with which state? Here are the options. Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Manipur, Rajasthan. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Odissi is the classical dance form of which state? Assam, Orissa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Orissa. Odissi is the classical dance form of Orissa. Next question. Satriya classical dance originated in which state? Your options are Assam, Punjab, Maharashtra, Goa. The correct answer is Assam. Satriya is a classical dance tradition of Assam. Yakshagana is a famous traditional theatre form of which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Karnataka. Yakshagana is a traditional theatre and dance form of Karnataka. Garba is mainly associated with which state? Gujarat, Punjab, Orissa, Bihar. Gujarat. Garba is a popular folk dance of Gujarat. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of which state? Haryana, Punjab, Manipur, Maharashtra. Punjab. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of Punjab. Pongal is a major harvest festival of which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, Gujarat. Tamil Nadu. Pongal is a major harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Now for the next question. Onam is celebrated mainly in which state? Here are the options. Kerala, Karnataka, Punjab, Orissa. And the correct answer is Kerala. Onam is one of the major festivals of Kerala. The Hornbill festival is celebrated in which state? Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Nagaland. The Hornbill festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Bathukama is a major festival of which state? Telangana, Rajasthan, Orissa, Sikkim. Telangana. Bathukama is a major floral festival of Telangana. Which festival is commonly known as the Festival of Colors? Diwali, Holi, Dashehra, Onam. Holi. Holi is commonly known as the Festival of Colors. Which festival is popularly called the Festival of Lights? Holi, Diwali, Pongal, Bihu. Diwali. Diwali is popularly known as the Festival of Lights. Next question. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Here are the options. C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, Amartya Sen. And the correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore became the first Indian Nobel laureate in 1913. Here is the next question. Which is India's highest civilian award? Your options are Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan. The correct answer is Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna is India's highest civilian award. Next question. The Dadasaheb Phalke Award is associated with which field? Your options are literature, cinema, science, sports. And the correct answer is cinema. The Dadasaheb Phalke Award is India's highest honor in cinema. Who wrote The Discovery of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Subhas Chandra Bose. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote The Discovery of India. Answer this next question. Who wrote Geetanjali? Your options are Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Sarojini Naidu, Premchand. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Geetanjali. Question number 97. In which year did the Quit India movement begin? The answer options are 1930, 1942, 1919, 1920. The correct answer is 1942. The Quit India movement began in 1942. The Dandi March was launched to protest against which law? Forest law, salt law, arms law, press law. Salt law. Mahatma Gandhi launched the Dandi March against the British salt law. Answer this next question. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Choose the correct answer from these options. 1885, 1905, 1919, 1942. The correct answer is 1885. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885. Next question. Who gave the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Your options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel. The answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.